Using an FSA card on Amazon is a convenient way to purchase eligible healthcare products with your flexible spending account funds. To start, you need to have an FSA card and an Amazon account. If you do not have an Amazon account, create one by going to the Amazon website and following the sign-up process. First, log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Amazon FSA store. You can find this by searching for FSA store in the search bar at the top of the page. The Amazon FSA store is a dedicated section that features FSA-eligible products, making it easier for you to find and purchase items that are covered by your FSA plan. Next, browse the FSA store and select the products you want to purchase. Make sure to check the product description to confirm that it is FSA eligible. You can also use the FSA eligibility filter to narrow down your search results. Once you have added the products to your cart, proceed to checkout. During checkout, you will be prompted to enter your payment method. Select the option to add a new credit or debit card and enter your FSA card information. Make sure to enter the correct card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your FSA card information, review your order summary to ensure that everything is correct. If you have any other items in your cart that are not FSA eligible, you will need to pay for those items separately using a different payment method. Finally, submit your order and wait for it to be processed. You will receive an email confirmation once your order has been processed, and your FSA card will be charged for the eligible items. It is essential to keep your receipts and order confirmations for your records, as you may need to provide documentation to your FSA plan administrator for reimbursement or verification purposes. Additionally, be aware of your FSA plan's rules and guidelines regarding eligible expenses and any applicable deadlines for using your funds. By following these steps, you can easily use your FSA card on Amazon to purchase eligible healthcare products and make the most of your flexible spending account benefits.